Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on the Moomoo app. Before buying Bitcoin, you first need to activate your crypto account. Start by updating the Moomoo app from the App Store or Google Play. Once updated, open the app and tap Markets at the bottom. Next, go to the Crypto tab. From here, tap on any crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum. We're not buying yet. This step is just to activate your crypto account. Now tap Trade. You will be asked to confirm a few basics details. Tap Start now and submit the application. This usually takes 3 to 5 minutes and you will get a notification once approved. After your crypto account is activated, you will need buying power. To add money, tap Accounts at the bottom, then select Deposit. Choose your crypto cash amount, pick your currency like USD or SGG, select a deposit method, enter the amount, and complete the transfer. If you already have funds in your universal account, you can transfer them instead. Go to Accounts, select Universal Account, tap Transfers, choose Cash Transfers. Select your crypto account, enter the amount, and submit. Once your funds are ready, you can buy Bitcoin. Go back to Markets, tap Crypto, select Bitcoin, and tap Trade. Choose your targeting pair like BTC/USD, set the order type, market or limit, enter the amount you want to buy, then tap Buy. Once the order is filled, your Bitcoin will appear in your crypto assets. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.